some holiday ham. I made this channel so you guys can know how to cook and bake. Let's go. And we have a honey cured double glazed ham, but you can get any ham you want. It's just a small Christmas ham. So, yeah. Ooh, it's very watery. Very, very watery. Cut it over your crock pot. And don't forget to set your crock pot to high. Oh, and don't forget, like I almost did this one time, to actually plug it in. Okay, let's see. Delicious. Okay. Get your fingers in there. Oh, be careful. It's very hot. Ooh, perfect. Just set that over there real quick. Then you're going to take some Sprite. It helps with your fluids. You can also take water, but we're using Sprite. Okay. And, oh. Or, I said Sprite, didn't I? 7-Up. 7-Up Sprite. They're the same thing. Just lemon lime soda. And then we have this powdered glaze stuff, which I'm not going to add in right now. And then you put this on. You're going to let it sit for 2 to 3 hours. Check in on it at 2 hours. So yeah, I'll be right back. And looks ready. It's been about 3 hours, so let's try it. Smells amazing. Delicious. Ooh. Okay, then you're gonna take a knife. Just gonna chop you off a little piece. This plate has been through some things. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hot, but delicious.